I tried Paperclip for a week and I decided to create my own version called WoterClip so that it lives inside of Claude Code using linear instead of using the overall Paperclip server and API infrastructure. And here's what I've done. The big difference with WoterClip is that it now lives inside of Claude Code using linear instead of having it be its own package like I just said. And also, Paperclip has its own issue management system, but I decided to replace that with linear, which is something I was using every single day anyways for my project management. So I took some of the best things from Paperclip, which is a persona-based task routing with a heartbeat. And instead of using the Paperclip heartbeat system, I am now using the Claude Code schedule feature, which is relatively new. If you guys aren't aware, there is a /schedule command now inside of Claude Code. So I'm using the capabilities of Claude Code and giving it a little bit more structure for the personas and the heartbeat portion of it. And now this is available as an open source Claude Code plugin here at watai-dev/WoterClip. There's a lot of information in the README, how it works. Most importantly, how to get it installed. So you can see here, you can download it into your local drive, or you can, inside of Claude Code, if you do /plugin and use that GitHub repository address right there, watai-dev/WoterClip, then it'll just handle all the installation for you. And then what else I would also do is make sure that the auto update for that plugin marketplace is set, so that when I make updates to this GitHub repository, you're always going to be able to take advantage of those updates automatically without having to do any new reinstall of the plugin itself. Also, secondarily, you do need to have Claude Code, obviously, installed and have an account set up, whether it's Max or Pro. And the other thing you need to have set up is Linear. Linear is a product management platform that's very widely used. And you can now actually just enable that in the Claude.ai connectors. So if you go into your connectors there and add the Linear MCP, then it'll just be set up globally for all of your different Claude Code instances. So those are the two things. And let me keep going with some more information for you. Once you have it all installed, you got your prerequisites in place. The other thing first thing you want to do is do a /WoterClip-init, and that'll get everything set up for you, including some instructions on what types of personas you want to install, and it'll help you get it all ready for you. And then you can now start to customize it for that repository. So because it is a plugin, you now have the capability to create a WoterClip functionality inside of each project or project repository that you're working on, so that again, I think each project will have its own sort of customization that will be required, or you can set up a more global WoterClip folder so that you can reuse it across your other projects. Either way, the way I've constructed it and want to use it is to have a per project WoterClip setup so that I can customize it based on that project. And as I said, there's some other information here in the README file. I also created a full blog write-up on the WoTai blog. It's watai.co/blog. I'll put these links into the description. Take a try and let me know what you guys think. See you next time.